I'm going to show you how to recreate my front door holiday ornament decor. The first thing you'll need is a tension rod. You will also need your ornaments. I went with oversized ornaments. You can use oversized or regular size in any design, shape, or color. And then to hang the ornaments, I'm going to use fishing line. I decided to go with the silver tension rod, so I'm going to put this up in between the doorway here as tight as I can. Then using my fishing line, knot this at the top of each ornament and then secure it to the tension rod. I do recommend using shatterproof ornaments. I made these at various heights, just kind of eyeing how long I want each and then cutting the fishing line to the desired length. I realized this was starting to get pretty heavy on the tension rod. So to take off some of the weight, I unlooped some of the ornaments I already had it and then moved these over to little command hooks. These are the indoor-outdoor version, and just following the same pattern that I had already began, I just placed these on the back side, which actually was also great because it allowed me to stagger the ornaments more. Another super helpful tip were these command hook and command Velcro strips. These allow you to hold up to 15 pounds. So this was just like added security to the tension rod because it has that little ledge underneath, which helped take some of the stress off the tension rod. I do recommend following the instructions when you're using command hooks. Make sure you apply it, hold for 30 seconds, and then allow it to set before adding any weight to it for a full hour. We just top this off with some outdoor LED lights and finish decorating with garland and wreaths. I've linked all the supplies I used down in the description box, on my Like to Know It, and in my bio. It's such a fun, unique way to add holiday decor to either an indoor or outdoor space. Plus, it's temporary and damage-free. I would love to see your version, so be sure to tag me if you recreate this. I already have more ideas how I want to add to mine, so stay tuned for that. Save this video for later, like and follow for more.